Good evening everybody. If you think I'm looking a bit of a wally, you're probably 100% right. It's Saturday evening. I'm just going to head down to the community fireworks and etc. They've got a funfair down there and it's all been done by Troon Community Council. As I get run over by a guy in a transit van. But it's all run by Troon Community Council and sponsored by a couple of local businesses and also sponsored by Troon Round Table. So come with me. It's a miserable night, that's why I'm dressed like this. 2 weeks ago I was walking along in a pair of t-shirt and the shorts in Tenerife, but obviously back home totally different. It's pretty miserable, but hey, I'll do anything and sacrifice anything for the art. I'm joking. If you haven't already subscribed, think about hitting the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Hit the like button, it helps the video get out there, and I'll report back in as we get a wee bit closer. It's maybe about a 15-minute walk from the house down to the shorefront where everything's happening. You might be able to see the lights in the distance. I've got a cloth with me to keep the lens kind of clear, hopefully. I even had to change cameras tonight. I had my Pocket 3 out, but as that's not very good in the wet, I've had to change over to the Insta360, which of course is waterproof. But hey, I'll show you a wee bit more when we get closer. I'm actually walking along the beach path tonight. You'll notice there's a couple of guys standing further up with the umbrellas up and they're collecting tins. As I say, it's all done for charity. So head along the beach path. Some of the houses along the front have got some flashing lights on. Excuse me while I wipe the lens. There we go. Some of the houses along the front have got lights on, like a Christmassy vibe already. But hey, we'll see what happens when I get up to here. I've already actually donated, but we'll see if I've got any change. So they've got people at the various bits of the path as we get closer. You can probably see the lights in the distance. That's the funfair. And also to the right of that, between the funfair and the beach, is where the fireworks will be going off. It looks actually, if it's trying to clear up, I wish it would, because I don't mind the rain, but this fine rain just goes right through you. Tends to get you very wet. I've got waterproof trousers on and also my 100% waterproof jacket, and as I said earlier on, the stupid hat. As you'll notice, some of the luxury flats along the shorefront have got Christmassy type decorated lights on. Nice to see some folk making an effort. So there we are, there's some of the apartments and flats along the shorefront. All have got superb views over the water. Can't really see much tonight as it's so dark and dismal, but that's the end of Troon Harbour there where the lights are in the middle of the screen now. Just come through the gates there, that is the exclusion zone. Obviously it's not active just now because the fireworks haven't started, but it's just given everybody access along to the amusements and the funfair. Certainly looks pretty colourful in the distance. Getting a wee bit closer now to where the funfair is, or as they call it in Scotland, the shows. But there we go. I'll maybe have to do a wee bit of talking over the music, but bear with me with that one please. Hope everything's coming out alright. I've had to wipe the lens about 4 times coming along the road here, but one of these things, I'm afraid. Welcome to Scotland in November. Queue already for the toilets. This is what's good about having a big grassy area from the main road, between the main road and the beach. helps facilitate things like this. Right guys, how you doing? That's to the local police that I know. I'll stand back here and you can take it all in. Lots of nice kiddie rides for the youngsters. Some more energetic ones for the older folk.
Are you ready to ride the power of okay, hold on, here we go. Okay.
I think that one went on deaf ears. There's the fun house. A wee bit of talk over Tina Turner here.
To the left-hand side, remember,
A wee bit loud there for the old. Certainly not one you want to go on after a couple of pints. Cheeseburger, anyone? And for the less adventurous and more hungry, have you? Coffee stall, fish and chips, mobile fish and chips. Kids are certainly having a whale of a time, even though it's raining. Certainly getting busy down here. Nicky with the shorts on. Did somebody not tell you it was winter, pal?
No, it's no.
How you doing? Alright?
You?
Yeah.
What are you up to?
Oh, I'm just going back to the house. Kind of wet. You know it?
No, I'm alright.
Are you alright?
Yes. I'm alright, I know.
Well,
So
shame about the weather though, eh?
yeah, it's not meant to be raining.
No, I know. That with the forecast wasn't right. That was right on the button, Danny, wasn't it? Is he? That's so funny. She's on about the fireworks all week. Looks as if she's in a sleeping bag. Hiya. Can I borrow it? No. The traffic coming out of Troon tonight. Somebody was saying that people have come from miles around, so there we go, good for the town. If you notice, looking back, there's just lines of cars everywhere. Well, that's the end of tonight. I hope you've enjoyed that wee vlog from hardly a sunny Costa del Troon, a very wet Costa del Troon. Hope it wasn't too long for you, but anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, please hit the like for the channel and subscribe. I'm going to walk along now back to the house, and again there's queues of traffic everywhere. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.